Just planted all my tomatoes. Come inside, and what do we got? Sheep graziers warning. 100-kilometre winds. Now I've got to go catch this fella, bring him up, and go close the flaps on my greenhouse. Jesus. How are you, buddy? Hey, come on. Let's get you up to the house. What do you reckon? Hey? What do you reckon? Go up to the house? You wag, oh, look at you wagging your tail, hey? Hey? Come on, let's go up to the house. You walk pretty well. Righto. Life of a lawnmower, eh? Is that what they say? Come on. Quick, come on. You know what's going on.